Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix the maintenance required light on a Toyota Camry. First, turn your ignition to the on position, but do not start the engine. Next, locate and press the odometer reset button. While holding this button, turn the ignition off, then immediately turn it back to the on position. Keep holding the button for about 10 seconds until the light resets. This simple process should clear the indicator. The maintenance required light is a simple reminder, not an error code. It illuminates after a set mileage interval, typically around 5,000 miles, to prompt routine service. This includes essential tasks like an oil change, tire rotation, and general inspection. It's designed to help you stay on top of your vehicle's upkeep, ensuring longevity and optimal performance. Addressing these services promptly is key. If the maintenance required light remains on after attempting the manual reset, or if other warning lights are also illuminated, it's time to consult a professional. This could signal a more complex issue beyond a simple service reminder. A qualified mechanic can perform a diagnostic scan to identify any underlying problems, ensuring your Camry is safe and running correctly. Don't ignore persistent warnings. Regular maintenance is crucial for your Toyota Camry's health and longevity. Adhering to the recommended service schedule helps maintain optimal fuel efficiency and performance. It also plays a significant role in preventing minor issues from escalating into expensive repairs down the road. Think of it as an investment in your vehicle's future, ensuring a reliable and enjoyable driving experience for many years.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.